In this lecture, we will talk about solve the system using the inverse method. This system is big. You have 3 variables. Okay. Now we know after we introduced multiplication of the matrices, this system, linear system, can be written in the multiplication form of matrices. Okay. So the coefficient, you see, negative x is actually negative 1 times x, and z is actually 1 times z. So we have a coefficient from the first row is negative 1, 3, 1. And 4x minus y means in front of z, coefficient is 0. So y negative means negative 1 times y. So the coefficient will be 4, negative 1, 0, 4, negative 1, 0. 3y plus 3z means coefficient of x is 0, 0x plus that. So we have a 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, 3. That's the coefficient matrix. And then variable matrix is x, y, z. And constant matrix is 1 to negative 2. Okay. So then you can write constant coefficient matrix times variable matrix equals the constant matrix. Okay. And you know, when you do the multiplications, row times column right here, add together. Row times column, add together. Yeah. Negative 4, positive 4x plus negative 1y plus 0 times z. You see, that's exactly this one. Row 2, second equation. So is the case like this. This row times column, row 3, column 1, right here, and you keep it. So this is after we introduced multiplication of the matrices. We can rewrite the linear system into this system. So A is this one, x is this one. So A times x equals B. This is B, this is x, this is A. A times x equals B. So I wrote A times x equals B. Previously we did the inverse of this one. The inverse of this one is the one right here. Recall previous lecture. It takes a long time. A is here, then the inverse is here. So note, I put note here. The inverse of A is that. Okay. Then both sides, ax equals b, both sides times inverse. A inverse times A is the identity matrix. And A inverse times B is this. This is the A inverse. Okay. A inverse times B. B is this one. Okay. Identity matrix times any matrix is that matrix. And then A inverse times B, this is A inverse times this one. And then you do the regular multiplication. Row times column is right here. That's the answer, 17 over 21. Row times column, add together, that's 26 over 21. Row 3 times this column, row 3 times this column, add together, you get negative 40 over 21. So what was our x? Our x was x, y, z. That was our x. So probably you want to put here, you see, is x, y, z, because you know x is x, y, z. So x end up with this. So that means x equals 17 over 21. And y equals 26 over 21. Okay, and z equals negative 40 over 21. Okay, yeah, that's the way to solve the linear equation by using the inverse method. The time-consuming part is to find out the inverse. Okay. All right. Please review this lecture, and good luck with your assignment. I'll see you next time.